we are going to discuss all about decimals. Alright? So, ngayon na din ako napag-discuss ng grade 7 kasi kasi ganito, gagawa ko ng mabusisi yung paggawa ko ng presentation just to discuss step by step in that particular computation to be discussed in younger grade level in high school. So, let us start. So, I guess itong ata ay hindi naman necessary ng grade 7, pero ito yung recap para ma-discuss din natin yung next na rate, base, and percentage. Alright? So, let us define what is decimal. So, the decimal numerical system is the standard system for denoting integer and non-integer numbers. It is the extension to non-integer numbers of the Hindu-Arabic numeric system. Sabi natin yung Hindu-Arabic, yun nga, yung mismong number. The way of denoting numbers in the decimal system is often referred to as a decimal notation. Alright? So para mas maano natin, you have seen a decimal value, a number with a mixed decimal rather. So mamaya natin, ano kayang basa dyan? So, anin muna natin yung place value. Ngayon, yung 5, that is your ones. Yung 4 nyo is tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Ngayon, ito yung decimal point nyo, di ba? So, kung dito, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, how about sa side na to? So, if we have already ones here, next, at this point, we have tens. Mapapansin nyo meron siyang THS value. The letters, the prefix. That means that is a part of decimal place value. THS, tandaan nyo. Tens. Kung may tens, ano yung kasunod? Hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Alright. Bakit walang ones? Kasi we have already ones here. Diba? Para sa integer, bakit walang negative 0? Kasi 0 is not positive, neither negative. Diba? Katulad lang din dito. So, therefore, it read as 12,345 and 6,789 10,000s. Bakit kaya ganun ang pagkakapangalan? In naming numbers, the decimal points read as end. Pero pansin nyo, 45 and 6,789. Alright? So, don't forget to state what decimal place value it plays. Kung saan siya. Kasi dito may 10,000. Siyempre, meron nakalagay dito na 10,000s. Alright. So, another. So, yan. Meron naman tayong, let me place this. So, yeah. Meron tayong billions, 100 millions, 10 millions, millions, 100,000, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Meanwhile, dito sa kabila naman, meron tayong tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. Alright. So this means it reads as 6,781,239,465 and 724,069 millions. That's how we read. Ang haba, di ba? So now, let us proceed in operation of decimals. This is just a recap. Alright? So, we have addition. So, first, solve problem number 1. We have 38 and 90 hundredths plus 8 and 178 thousandths. So, ano natin siya by column? Paano natin siya by column? So, we have 38.90 plus 8.178. Ngayon, how was that possible? So, the decimal points must be aligned. Alright? O, ayan siya. Ngayon, next step natin? Anong next step natin? So, dapat, yan, expected na natin may decimal points sa baba. Ngayon, dito, wala naman kayo makikitang i-add dito sa A, kaya bring down 8. Then, we have 0 plus 7, siyempre 7. 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1. So, 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 8, 17, carry 1. So, 1 plus 3 is 4. Therefore, we have 47 and 78 thousands. Bakit thousands? Kasi, ito na yung tenths, hundreds, thousands. So, that's why 78 thousands. Alright. Next example, we have 3 plus 0.05 or 3 plus 5 hundredths. Tenths, hundredths. So, we have 3 plus, ayan. Kayo ito, it's up to you kung gusto nyo maglagay ng 0 para hindi kayo malito. In adding whole number to decimal, the decimal point of whole number is automatically placed on the right side of the one's values. Ngayon, dito at this case, kahit i-bring down nyo lang yung 0.5. Then, ito, binaba nyo to. So, 3 plus 0, automatically 3. So, we have 3 and 5 hundredths. Sorry. Now, let us proceed in third example. So, we have 135 and 98,000 hundredths plus 90 and 895 thousandths. Now, how we're going to add that? So, dapat naka-column siya. Then, dapat nakatapat diba ang ating decimal point? So, bring down natin yung 5. So, yan. Bring down natin yung 5. Then, 8 plus 9 is 17. Carry 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 8, 18. Carry 1. So, don't forget to put the decimal point. So, 1 plus 5 is 6. 3 plus 9 is 12. Carry 1. So, 1 plus 1, not 11. That is 2. So, we have 226 and 875 thousandths. See? Alright. Subtraction naman tayo. So, we have 34.70 or 34 and 78 hundredths minus 23 and 896 thousandths. So, ngayon, operation natin, subtraction. Put 0 kasi hindi yan bring down kasi hindi naman yung addition, that is subtraction. Put 0 at the end of the decimal place to simplify the decimal. Alright, gagamit tayo dito ng borrow 1. So, 0 minus 6 is cannot be. So, hindi nyo pwedeng apply ang integer sa column. So, magiging 10 siya at yung 8 nyo ay magiging 7. So, 10 minus 6 is 4. Now, 7 minus 9 is cannot be. So, borrow 1 tayo ulit. Magiging 17 ang 7 nyo. At ang 7 nyo ay magiging 6. So, 17 minus 9 is 8. Alright, 6 minus 8 is also cannot be. So, yung 6 nyo magiging 16 at yung 4 nyo magiging 3. So, 16 minus 8 is 8. Don't forget the decimal points. So, 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. So, we have 10 and 884 thousandths. Alright. Next, we have 459 and 67 hundredths minus 259 hundredths. How about this? So, 7 minus 9 is cannot be. So, yung 7 nyo magiging 17 at yung 6 nyo ay magiging 5. So, 17 minus 9 is 8. So, 5 minus 5 is 0. Then, decimal point. Bring down yung 5 and 9, yung 9 and 5. So, 9 minus 0 9. And 5 minus 0 is 5. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So we have 259 and 800. Binabasa natin siya by its word. No? Hindi natin siya sinushortcut. So now, let us proceed in multiplication of decimals. So I already forgot this. So we have 356.8 or 356 and 8 tenths times 9.3. Now, dapat sa multiplication natin, paano tayo nagano? Times natin by ganito, di ba? By digit. Distribution. Alright. 8 times 3 is 24, carry 2. So, 3 times 6 is 18 plus 2, 20, carry 2. So, 3 times 5, 15 plus 2, 17, carry 1. So, 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1, 10. Next, how about the second digit? So, ganito. Dapat kino-cross out nyo na ito makineri-carry nyo sa unang digit para hindi kayo malilito kapag nag-start na kayo second, third, and fourth digit if ever may fourth digit pa. Mas mahirap yon. Alright. So, 8 naman tayo. 8 times 8 is 64, carry 6. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 6 is 54, carry 5. So, 8 times 5 is 40, plus 5, 45, carry 4. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4, 20. Alright, cross out na natin itong pangalawa. Yung pangalawang kineri-carry nyo sa second digit. Ngayon kasi third digit na. So, 9 times 8 is 72, carry 7. 9 times 6 is 54, plus 7, 61, carry 6. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 6 is 51, carry 5. 9 times 3 is 57, plus 5, 32. Now, anong gagawin natin dyan sa ating partial products? We are going to add. So, yung 4, ibaba, bring down. So, 0 plus 4 is 4. 7 plus 4 plus 2 is 13, carry 1. So, 1 plus 5 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 8 plus 1, 10, carry 1. So, 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 5. And bring down 2. So, ngayon, makikita paano natin lalagay dito yung decimal point. Kasi hindi naman kasi necessary na magtapat ng decimal point. Hindi naman pwedeng, kasi dami natin partial product. Ngayon, ang basis natin ng paglalagay ng decimal point ay, bakit kaya dito natin nilagay? The decimal point is placed on the sum of number of decimal places given by a factor to be multiplied. Ngayon, ilang decimal places meron dito sa isa? Isa lang. Tama? At meron din dito sa isa. Isa lang din. Ngayon, ilan lahat? Dalawa. Alright? Kaya isa, dito ako magsisimula. Isa, dalawa. Alright. So now, therefore, we have 35,073 and 44 hundredths. How about this? We have 89.65 times 7.8. Mas pinadali na lang natin. Dalawa lang. Yung multiplication of decimal does not need to align their decimal points is called. So, napansin nyo, hindi ko sila pinagpantay. Pero kayong bahala kung gusto nyo pagpantayin. Kung saan kayo mas masaya. Now, we have 8 times 5 is 40, carry 4. Let's do this. 8 times 6 is 48 plus 4, 52, carry 5. 8 times 9 is 72 plus 5, 77, carry 7. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 plus 7 is we have 71. Next, second digit naman tayo. So, kinorows out ko na yung the first one. Alright, 7 times 5 is 35, carry 3. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 3, 45, carry 4. 7 times 9 is 63, plus 4, 67, carry 6. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 6 is 62. Alright, let's add our partial products. Ito ay almost forgotten. So this is called a partial product. Alright. So you are going to add your partial product to get your final product. So bring down 0 is 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 7, 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. Then bring down 6. We have, saan kaya natin lalagay ang ating decimal point? Ngayon, check muna natin. Ito is sa dalawa. Ito isa. Ilan lahat ang decimal points supposed to be? 3. Meron tayong dapat na 3 na place. Ngayon, dito natin siya nilagay. Kasi, ayun o, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, in decimal places, it's unnecessary to consider 0 at the end of the decimal place. Pwede natin siyang, alisin natin itong 0. Pwede siyang alisin yung 0 sa dulo. Pero okay mag-alis ng 0 nang hindi nyo pa na-place ang decimal point. Kasi may chances, halimbawa, wala na itong 0. Inalis nyo bigla yung 0 na hindi nyo malang in-assure yung decimal place. 3, dito nyo nalagay. So, dapat, i-check nyo maigi. Okay, so we have 699 and 27 hundredths. So, ngayon, that division of decimals naman tayo. So, proceed tayo sa una. So, sa quotient, sa decimal, meron na tayong basis dyan. Meron tayong terminating and non-terminating or repeating decimal. Pag sinabi natin terminating, yan yung may katapusan. Then, how non-terminating, walang katapusan. Marami siyang value nang walang katigil-tigil. Sa repeating, same with non-terminating, pero ang ano niya, paulit-ulit naman. Now, let us start 9,858 divided by 4.5. Ngayon, sa division of decimal, bago tayo magsimula, ito, ililipat nyo muna para maging whole number. So, ilang beses kayo nag-move? Mula dito para maging whole number? Just 1. Alright? How about this? Ngayon, kung ano yung ginawa nyo sa isa, ganun din ang gawin sa kabila. Since whole number siya, dyan nakalagay ang decimal point at ilang beses kayo nag-move gagaya sa divisor, isa lang. Ganun lang din. Meron kayo isa. But ngayon, dyan na yung decimal point na magiging quotient nyo at syempre may 0 na kayo. Kung ano yung naging cross, yung curve na galaw nun, yan na yung paglalagay ng 0. Alright. So, 98 divided by 45 is 2. 45 times 2 is 90. Anong gagawin natin dito? Subtract natin. Tatlo ang operation na magiging guide nyo ng long division. First step is division. Second step is multiplication. And third step is subtraction. Ang wala lang dyan sa division ay addition. Alright, pa hindi na tayo lumayo. So, we have 98 minus 90 is 8. Afterwards, baba natin yung 5. Then, same procedures. First step is division. So, 85 divided by 45 is 1. 45 times 1 is 45. Alright. Kapag kasi 2, diba, meron tayong skip counting of 45, 45, 90. Kaya 1 lang siya kasi pagka 2, 90, which is nag-exceed sa 85. Alright, balik tayo. 85 minus 45 is 40. Then, baba natin yung 8. Ilan? Meron tayong 9. So, 45 times 9 is 405. Kasi pagka ginamit natin ay 10, which is hindi naman masyado nangyayari yon, 50. Magiging 450 siya, which is napakalaking exceed niya sa 408. Alright, minus natin. 48 minus 408 minus 405 is 3. Ibaba natin. So, 30 divided by 45, since it is cannot be, so we are going to consider 0. So, 45 times 0 is 0. Then, minus. Then, meron tayong 300. Ngayon, nag-add ka ng 0. Bring down mo. So, nagkagulo-gulo yung aking ano. So, 300 minus 45 is 6. So, 45 times 6 is 270. And we subtract 30. Then, nag-bring down ka pa ng 0. Then, ulitin lang natin. Ayun, ano napansin nyo? Naulit lang. So, it seems the sub-quotient or the repeating, if we divide it in the case we consider the quotient 2,190 and 66 hundreds. So, since this is repeating, parang di natin siya marinig as hundreds, marami pa siya. And your subquotient, that is remainder. Your remainder is still remain. So, kaya tayo para saan yung, that is called the vinculum line. The undefined bond. Which is, that indicates na nauulit kung ano yung value. Alright. Next, we have, medyo padali na naman natin to, simple. So, we have 17 and 5 tenths divided by 25 hundredths. So, kapag ganyan naman hindi naman natin pwede sabihin 0 and, diba? Alright. So, ngayon, same procedure. Gawin natin siya whole number. Ilang beses siya nag-move? 2. Ngayon, dito naman, 1, 2. Ngayon, meron kang 0 dito. So, dito at this case pala, I almost forgot it. Siyempre, wala naman tayong whole number na nagsisimula sa 0. Diba? Pwede natin alisin yung 0 para hindi nakakalito. Now, 1 divided by 25 is cannot be. So, meron ka pa namang 7. 17 minus 25 is also cannot be. Next, 175 or 175 divided by 25 is 7. Kung saan pumwede ang pag-divide nyo ng isang number, just to recap, doon nyo ilalagay sa ibabaw kung saan na siya pwede. Next, 25 times 7 is 175. Kailangan nyo siya isubtract 0. Then, baba nyo yung 0. So, 25 times divided by 0 or 0 divided by 25 is 0. 25 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So, since the remainder is 0, the quotient is terminating. Next, ngayon. Tapos na tayo sa operation. Let's convert decimal to fraction. Decimal to fraction and fraction to decimal. Vice versa. Now, we have 0.5 over 10. Kailangan ang assurance nyo dito base the denominator in its place value. So, this is tenths. This is in tenths place value. We have 10. Kaya lang, hindi pa siya simplify. If you still remember the lowest term, you're going to simplify this in lowest term. So, di-divide siya sa kanyang GCF, which is 5. Alright? So, 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Now, tingnan na natin. Let's convert 1/2 to 0.5. In this way, use division of decimal. 1 divided by 2. 0. So, since cannot be, so wala kang another So, 2 times 0 is 0. Then, minus 1. At this time, mag-add tayo ng isang 0. Yun na yung decimal place nyo. Na yun ang ibababa nyo na. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 0. Next, how about this? Ganun lang din. Kaya siya 100 kasi nasa hundreds place siya. Divided nyo sa 5, then we have 1 over 20. Then, try natin. 0. 0. Baba nyo. 0 pa din. Kasi cannot be. 20 times 1. 20 times 0 rather. Is 0. Minus 10. Then, another add nyo ng 0. 100 divided by 20 is 5. 20 times 5 is 100. 0. Next, how about this? Yan. Whole number siya. This is mixed decimal kasi meron kang whole number. Which is ito yon. Yung 89, nasa hundreds value siya. Ang dulo. Kaya meron kang 100. Then, is your choice if you're going to convert this in improper fraction. How did I convert it into improper fraction? Diba gagawa natin 100 times 12. 1,200. Plus 89 is we have 1,000. 200. All over 100. Copy the denominator. So we have 1,000. We have 1,289 all over 100. So, alright. So, it is equal. Ngayon, since division of 100, mga ganyang situation, napakadali lang. Bakit? So, technique of dividing numbers to 10, 100, 1,000. Move their decimal points leftward. Ay, baliktad. Leftward depends on numbers of zeros of number. Halimbawa, 10. That equivalent in one move. Ngayon, since 100, ito ang decimal nyo, diyan kayo magsisimula. We'll have 1, 2. Therefore, napansin nyo, tama lang. Isa pa. Since 100, isa, dalawa. Alright. So, this is your activity. And this. Convert decimal to fraction. Na makikita niya rin naman sa Google Classroom. Then, well done. So, ngayon, sa wakas natapos din natin ang decimal. Ngayon, in progress naman ang aking discussion all about the rate, base, and percentage. I hope you learned a lot about this lesson. And I hope it recap your elementary mathematics. So, yan, para makita niyo aking website, pwede niyo siyang i-type niyo yung link na nandiyan. Or, pwede nyo i-scan ang QR code na nakikita nyo dyan. Alright? So, that's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.